Well, hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new video where we'll explore how to install both the server and client versions of the Cobblemon Academy 2.0 mod pack. You'll see it's quite straightforward. First of all, head over to the link that will be available in the description, which will redirect you exactly to where I am, and you're going to click on install. So install via app, you'll click on that. So you're going to get the exact same little pop-up as I do to open CurseForge. Now, if you don't have CurseForge on your computer, it will automatically offer to install it for you. So in my case, I'm going to open up CurseForge and we'll meet again on CurseForge with the Cobblemon Academy 2.0 mod pack. Now, in my situation, I've already installed it, so I have the play button. If this is your first time, you'll see install. So you click on install and that will install the mod pack for you. Once it has been installed, you will have the play button exactly like I do. So we will click on play and we will launch Minecraft in the background for the client side of things. So once you have clicked on play, you will see the console, a type of client mode console that will open up and then launch Minecraft. So we are going to leave that aside. We do not need it anymore for the moment. We definitely do not close it. We just minimize it. The same applies here. And so we're going to look at the server section. For the server section, you will need a Minecraft OuiHeberg server. That goes without saying. Once you are on your Minecraft server, for example, mine has just been installed via OuiBox. We'll also provide the OuiBox link so you can manage your server, increase or decrease its resources. So, once you've got your very own Minecraft server running, you'll want to navigate, just like me, to the version modpack manager section. We are going to be using the modpacks verified by OuiHeberg. And right here, you have the Cobblemon Academy 2.0 version. All we need to do is click install.
Yes.
And now we're just waiting for the server to install. And so there it is. Our Minecraft server is installed with our Cobblemon Academy 2.0 mod pack. All that's left is to start it up. And one of the advantages of having a server on OuiHeberg, you'll see that in just 3 clicks, you get the mod pack. And once the server starts, you'll just need to play with all your friends. So our Minecraft server is now installed. It's very easy to see at the top left there on the console. You'll notice a small green badge, which means the server has started successfully. So now all that's left for us to do is to take the IP address. You can take either one, it's all the same. We'll go to Minecraft, we can see it's already started. We'll put it in full screen, then multiplayer. Add a server. So here, you enter your server's name, it doesn't really matter. Then you paste the IP address, so Ctrl V, and click done. There, you can see this server's found, double click, and after a few seconds of loading, we'll arrive directly on the server, where you can now play with your friends. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you soon for more videos. Alright, bye everyone.